pretending it would pass. Hey! This isn't fate, it's feedback. Echoes from the ground we drained. We walked out on the living earth. Now it's walking out on us again. Call to the world to see, they call it a storm, but it's a hurricane. This is the reckoning.